Upgrading your home with new windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. For many homeowners in the villages, new windows bring energy efficiency, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal. But while the benefits are undeniable, the installation process can be tricky, and mistakes can turn a great project into a frustrating and costly experience. Below, we highlight the most common window installation mistakes residents should avoid, along with tips to ensure your project goes smoothly. Choosing the wrong window size. One of the biggest pitfalls is selecting windows that don't fit properly. Even a small size mismatch can lead to drafts, leaks, and structural stress on your home. Many homeowners assume close enough works, but precision is key. Avoid the mistake. Have a professional measure multiple times and confirm dimensions before ordering. Properly sized windows mean a snug, secure fit that performs as intended. Skipping the weatherproofing step in Florida's climate, protecting your home from moisture and humidity is essential. Poorly sealed windows can let in rain, which eventually causes mold, wood rot, or even foundation damage. Avoid the mistake. Insist on proper flashing, caulking, and sealant around every opening. These steps keep out water, preserve energy efficiency, and protect your home long-term. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Windows aren't just about looks, they play a huge role in regulating indoor comfort. Some residents choose based on style alone and overlook energy ratings, leading to higher cooling costs in the village's hot summers. Avoid the mistake. Look for Energy Star certified windows and low-E glass that reduces heat transfer. Energy-efficient windows can significantly lower monthly utility bills while making your home more comfortable. DIY installation. Without experience. While DIY projects can be fun, window installation is not a simple weekend job. Improper leveling, incorrect sealing, or poor alignment often result in costly repairs and reduced window lifespan. Avoid the mistake. Unless you have professional experience, hire a trusted installer in the villages. Skilled contractors understand structural requirements, follow local codes, and deliver a polished finish. Forgetting local building codes. Some homeowners overlook the village's building codes and WA guidelines. Installing windows without permits or failing to follow neighborhood standards may lead to fines, delays, or required do-overs. Avoid the mistake. Work with contractors familiar with local regulations. They'll ensure your project is compliant and avoid legal headaches. Overlooking proper insulation. Even with high-quality windows, poor insulation around the frame can defeat the purpose. Gaps in insulation let air escape, making your HVAC system work harder. Avoid the mistake. Make sure insulation is placed evenly around each window. Spray foam or fiberglass insulation creates a tight barrier for maximum efficiency. Rushing the installation. Sometimes residents are eager to finish quickly, but rushing leads to sloppy workmanship. Misaligned frames, uneven caulking, or skipped steps can cause long-term performance issues. Avoid the mistake. Allow enough time for a careful installation. A professional crew may take longer, but the results are worth the wait. Failing to plan for maintenance. Windows require some level of upkeep. Choosing styles that are hard to clean or not considering screen replacements can lead to frustration later. Avoid the mistake. Select windows that are easy to maintain and fit your lifestyle. Double-hung windows, for example, tilt in for effortless cleaning. Final thoughts. For homeowners in the villages, avoiding these common mistakes ensures that your investment in new windows pays off for years to come. The key is working with professionals, prioritizing quality over shortcuts, and making smart choices tailored to Florida's climate. With the right installation, your new windows will deliver comfort, energy savings, and a refreshed look that enhances your home inside and out.